Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to provide a solution to this problem. Okay, so we have 3 raised to x minus 2 raised to y plus 2 equals to 10. And we have 2 raised to y minus 3 raised to x minus equals to 2. So this one is a system of simultaneous system of equations. Okay, so let's get started. Now from here, when we're given x to the power n plus p is the same as x to the power n times x to the power p. So from here we have 3 raised to x minus, so we can write this one as 2 raised to y times 2 raised to 2 equals to 10. So this side will be 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to y times 4 equals to 10. So we have 3 raised to x minus, so we have 4 times 2 raised to y equals to 10. Alright, now from here, since we have 3 raised to x and 2 raised to y, let's take them out as we represent them by a variable. So let a be 3 raised to x, then b to 2 raised to y. That will make this one go to a minus 4b equals to 10. So we name it equation 1. So the first one has been resolved to this. Okay, all right, now let's move on to the second one. Okay, so the second one will be 2 raised to y, 2 raised to y minus 3 raised to x. So this side will be times 3 raised to minus 2 equals 2. Remember that a raised to minus n is the same as 1 on a raised to n. So we have 2 raised to y, so this side will be 1 on 9 times 3 raised to x equals 2. Now from here we can dissolve the fraction here. Okay, so since we know 2 to the power y as b, so let's put them there, then dissolve the fraction. So we have to the power y here as b, so we have b minus 1 over 9 to the power x is a equals to 2. So this one will be 9b minus a equals to, so we are multiplying through by 9, 18. That will be the equation 2. So we have equation 1 as a minus 4b equals 10, and equation 2 is the same as minus a plus 9b equals to 18. All right, now this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So we want to solve for equation 1 and 2. After that, we solve for x and y. Now from here, okay, or from here, you can make one of the variable the subject. So from equation 2, from 2, 9b minus 18 is the same as a. So this one will be the third equation. So I'll now do the substitution. So putting 3 in 1 will give us, so this is a. So 9b minus 18 minus 4b equals 10. So 9 minus 4 will be 5b equals to 10 plus 18. So 5b will be 28. Okay. So we have b equals to 28 over 5, which is the same as, when the calculator will give us 5.6. Now let's solve for b using any of the equations. So when we use equation 1, so equation 1, a minus 4b, a minus 4b, but b is what? B is 5.6. So let's put 5.6 there. 5.6 equals to 10. So calculator work. 4 times 5.6. So we have a minus 22.4 equals 10. So a will be 10 plus 22.4, which will be 32.4. Okay, remember, we are not after a and b, we are after x and y. So let's observe this. All right, so let's quote the first one. Remember, a is the same as 3 raised to x is here, and b is 2 raised to y, and b 2 raised to y. Now from here, if you are to solve for x, you have no option but to take log on both sides. So we have log a equals log 3 raised to x. So this one will be, so this side will be a power rule, log a x log 3. So dividing both sides by log 3. So this one will cancel. I have x equals log a over log 3. And when we're given log x over log y, the same as log x to base y. So this side will be log a to base 3, because but a is what? A here is 32.4. A is 32.4. So let's plug in that. So we have log 32.4 to base 3. So which is approximately 3 point. So on the calculator, 3.16. So let me write it well. 3.1659 on the calculator, right? Now let's look at the other one. So we have b equals to 2 raised to y. So let's take log on both sides. So that would be log b equals log 2 raised to y. So same thing, log b is the same as y log 2. That would be dividing both sides by log 2. So we have y equals to log b over. So b is what? 5.6. Okay, so let's plug in 5.6. So remember, this side will be log 5.6 over log 2, which is the same as log 5.6 to base 2, which is approximately on the calculator log 5.6 to base 2. That is y will be 2.4854. As simple as that. Alright, subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright.